In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make white background in video. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to get a clean white backdrop behind your content so your text, graphics, or product shots really stand out. First, log into your InVideo account just like you normally do. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and open the project you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new project, but if you already have one going, simply open it so we can add the background right where you need it. The easiest way to add a white background in InVideo is to use a plain white image file and place it on your timeline. This gives you consistent, solid color with full control over placement and duration. Make sure you have a simple white JPG or PNG ready on your computer. Ideally, it should be high resolution so it looks crisp and covers your canvas without banding. A true white, often noted as hex FFFF, works best. With your project open, look to the left panel and click on Uploads. This is where all your own media lives. Now click Upload Media. A file picker will open and you can select your white background image. Image from your device. Once the upload finishes, it will appear in your Uploads library. Next, add it to your timeline. You can drag the white image directly from the Uploads panel onto your timeline, or click to add it to the canvas and it will show up as a layer. Place it on a background track or at the bottom of your layer stack so other elements sit on top of it. If it doesn't automatically cover the entire canvas, use the handles on the corners to scale it up until it fills the frame edge to edge. Keep an eye out for any borders or black bars. The goal is a full bleed white background. Make sure the white layer's duration matches the section of your video where you need the background. You can extend it by dragging the ends of the clip on the timeline to span your full scene. If you're working with multiple scenes, repeat this placement in each scene where a white background is required so everything looks consistent. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project, go to Uploads, choose Upload Media, select your white image, and add it to your timeline as the base layer. A clean white background is now set, ready for your text, graphics, and video clips to take center stage.